Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. In NIOS 10 Standard Mathematics, let us do number system. Now let us discuss about standard form of rational numbers. A rational number is said to be in the standard form if the common factor between numerators and denominators is equal to 1 and the denominator is always positive. Furthermore, the numerator can have a positive sign. Such numbers are called rational numbers in standard form. Check out a few examples that illustrate the procedure of expressing rational numbers in standard form to be familiar with the concept even better. Then we can understand the standard form of a rational number by using some example. Here, minus 3 over minus 5, which is equal, minus divided by minus is positive, so 3 over 5 is a standard form. One more, 4 by 10, that minus. Here we have to, this is normally we are keeping the minus in numerator, so you have to multiply up and down with minus, so it gives minus 4 over 10, which is further divided by 2 is minus 2 over 5 is a standard form of 4 over minus 10. That means in standard form always that if it is minus available, so it should be in numerator. Now we will do an example. Which of the following numbers are rational numbers and which are not? Here, minus 3. Minus 3 can be written as minus 3 by 1. So it is rational number. Now minus 7 over 5 is here. It is, if you divide 7 by 5, it is terminating. So it is rational number, that we put R. 4 can be written as 4 over 1, a rational number. Next, 7 over 6 is not a rational number, since 7 over 6 it is continuing, and that is suppose 7 over 6 we can write as 1.1 remaining, then we can divide like, look, 7 over 6, 1 remainder, add 0, point, 10 is 1, 6 minus, that is 4, add 0, and 6 6 are 36, 4 add 0, 6 6 are 36. That means 1.1666. That is 6 is repeating, so it is also a rational number, which can be written as 1.16. That bar means it is the fraction decimal places are repeating, so it's also a rational number. 12 by 6, of course it's a rational number, which is equal to by 1. All are rational numbers here. Next, write the following rational numbers in standard form. Here, look at here, first minus 6 over 48. So first of all, that is minus is upside, so here we have to divide both numerator and denominator by 6. So here 1 6 of 6, so here 8 6 are 48. So minus 6 over 48 is written as minus 1 over 8 in standard form. Next, 12 by 80. First divide by 4, then 4 3s are 12, then 4 20s are 80. So it is a standard form. Further we cannot divide by common factors. Then 12 over 168. 12 over 168. First of all, we'll divide by 4. 3 4s are 12. 2 6 are 18. No, 2 6 2 8s are 16. We are dividing 4, then is 4 4s are 16 and 2. Further divide 1 3s are 3. Here 42 is divided by 3 is 1 3s are 3 and 14, that is 12 over 168 can be written as a standard form as 1 over 14. Now next one, equivalent form of rational numbers. Two rational numbers are said to be equivalent if their lowest form are the same. For example, 2 over 3 and 18 over 27 are equivalent because when these are reduced to their lowest form, they give the same value. Which numbers are the same are equivalent factors such as 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 4 by 6. These are considered as equivalent rational numbers because all that equivalent numbers can be reduced as a same values. Next, write 4 equivalent form of this number. 3 by 5 is a rational number, so multiply by 2 it is 6, multiply by 2 is 10, multiply by 3 you can say it is 9, multiply 3 by 5 is 15, and multiply by 10 is 30, multiply by 10 is 50, multiply by 20 is 60, and multiply by 20 is 100. These are equivalent form of 3 by 5. 7 by 3 is also 14 by 6, and suppose multiply by 3 is 21 by 9, multiply by 4 is 28 by 12, multiply by 5 is 35 over 15, 5 3s are 15. Like that we can express equivalent number. Next, rational numbers on the number line. Look here, rational numbers can be represented in number line. Suppose center is 0 1 2 3, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Suppose we represent 1 plus half is 1 and half, that is 3 by 2. So 1 and half is between 1 and 2, so it is represented 3 by 2 like this. Another one, minus 2 minus half equal to minus 2 and a half, that is minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2 is 2 and 3, between 2 and 3, like this is minus 5 by 2. Like we can represent any rational number in number line. Here, comparison of rational numbers. Look at these points to compare the rational numbers. First, every negative rational numbers is less than 0. Every positive rational numbers is greater than 0. Any positive rational number is greater than every negative rational numbers. That means any negative rational number is lesser than any positive rational number. If the denominators of rational numbers are equal, then compare their numerators. If the numerator is greater, then the number is greater. Here we will do some example, you can understand this concept. Compare the rational numbers. Here 2 by 3, 3 by 4. Here denominators is not same, so we have to then cross multiply both. This one, look, 2 into 4 is 8, and here 3 into 3 is 9. So 9 is greater, so we can say this is greater. Now here any negative number is lesser than the positive number, so of course it is, we can say here minus 5 by 8 is of course lesser than 1 by 2, not necessarily to represent other things. Directly you can find here 3 by 7 and 5 by 17. So cross multiply, 3 into 7 is 51 and 7 into 5 is 35, so it is greater, so this is greater. We have done. Further details we'll discuss in further videos. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.